Cupcake is a story written by character Montessori that talks about attentiveness. That making a cupcake requires us to be attentive to the instructions, else we will make a cupcake that tastes odd. Through this simple and fun baking activity, the children learn to be attentive to the teacher's instructions as well as to the details in the recipe, making sure that the right ingredient is mixed at the right amounts and at the right time. In Character Montessori, we organize such activities to instill fundamental character traits such as attentiveness to nurture our children to become capable and disciplined people, maximizing their potential in learning as they grow older.